Next exercise is 2D. First question is write greater than, less than, or equals to. We have to write, we have to show which number is greater or which is lesser by these signs. Okay, so 2536 and 3756. So for comparing these numbers, if we get confused, one rule says just look at the first digit, just look at the thousandth digit. If the number of digits are same, then look at the look at the last digit. We'll compare with the digit on the thousandth place. It is 3 on the thousandth place and it is 2 on the thousandth place. Which one is greater? Always 3 is the greater. So the greatest number will be which is starting from 3. Next is 6622, 6262. First rule says look at the thousandth place digit. In both the numbers, the digit on the thousandth place is same. Then we'll go to the next digit which is on hundredth place. It is 6 is on the hundredth place and 2 is on the hundredth place here in the next number. So which one is greater? 6 is greater, we all know. The next so the number which is greater is 6622. Here it is clearly understood that it has 3 digits and it has 4 digits. So the number which has 4 digits will be the greater. Again it has 4 digits, it had 2 digits, so the number which has more digits will be greater. Next, 7934, 7302. We'll go for the first digits in the numbers. Here it is 7, here it is 9. Which one is greater? 9 always. So this number will be greater. This is 9000 and this is 4000. Again we'll go for the first number, 9 and 4. 9 is greater, so this number will be greater. Here 6530, 6530. Both the numbers are same, so we'll go for this number. 5378 and 5368. So we'll go for the first digit, it is 5 in both the numbers. Then we'll go for the second digit, 3. It is also same. Then we go for the next number which is on the 10th place number. It is 7 and it is 6. 7 is greater, so this number will be greater. Here 8132, 8314. First number is 8 in both the numbers. We'll go for the next number. It is 1 here and it is 3 here. 3 is greater, so this number will be greater. 3924, 3920. Apparently this number is lesser and this number is greater. It is 24 here and it is 20 here. Then if you get confused, we'll follow the same rules. Go for the first digit, it is same. Then the second digit, it is also same. Next digit is 2, it is 2 same. The last digit is 4 and it is 0. So the 4 is greater than 0. This number will be greater than 0. Like this all the questions can be solved. Next question, write the smallest number in the series given here. We have to write the smallest number among them. So the smallest number among them in the first series 1002. The numbers are 1023, 1003, 1002, 1203, 1302. Apparently it is 1002. In the next number, which one is smallest? See, all the numbers has 4 digits except this number 997. So it is the smallest. It has 3 digits. Now in this next series, the numbers are 6308, 6409, 2147, 7326, 5834. So how we can compare, how we can know which is the smallest number? We'll go for the first digit. Here it is 6, it is 3 here, 2, 7 and 5, and we all know 2 is the smallest digit, so this number is the smallest number. Again 5623, 5326, 5362, 5632, 5263. So we'll compare the first digit. All the 5 is the first digit in all the numbers, so we'll go for the second digit. Here it is 6, here it is 3, 6 and 2. The smallest digit is 2, so the smallest number here is 5263. Next, this series follows the same thing which is we have studied in this series. First digit is same, we'll go for the second digit. Here it is 7, 8, 7, 8 and 5. 5 is the smallest digit, so this number is the smallest in the series, 4578. Next question is the opposite to this question. Write the greatest number. In this question we were writing the smallest number, and in this question we have to write the greatest number. Following the same series, following the same rules. First they have solved for us. In this question we'll compare the first digit of each number. It is 2 here, it is 1 here, it is 8 here, it is 3 and it is 4. 4 is the greatest, so the greatest number will be 4322. Next series we'll compare the numbers. 7 is the first digit in all the numbers, so we'll go for the second digit. It is 3 here, 0, 3, 1, 1. In these two numbers, 7301, 7010, in both the numbers the second digit is 3. We'll compare the next number in these two numbers. It is 0 here, it is 1 here. So this is the greatest number clearly, 7310. Next series we'll go for the first number, first digit in each number. It is 5 here, it is 7, it is 8, it is 8 and it is 6. In these two numbers the first digit is 8. We'll check the next two digit in these numbers. It is 5 here and it is 6 here. 6 is the greatest, so the greatest digit is 8600. Here again we'll go for the next number. We'll go for the first digit in each number. 6 is the same in each number. Then we'll go for the next number. 7, it is 7 here, it is 9 here, 7, 8 and 9. In these two numbers 9 is the second number which is greatest, so we'll go for the next number. 7, it is 7 here and it is 8 here, the next number, so greatest number is 8 in these two numbers. So the greatest number in the series is 6987. Next question is ring the smallest and tick the correct. We have to circle the smallest number and tick the largest number. First question they have solved for us. In the next question we have to find out the smallest number and circle it. See, so the rule says check the first number in each, check the first digit in each number. 6 is same in all the numbers here. The first digit is 6. Then we'll go for the second number. Second digit, it is 5 here and 5, 4, 8, 4, 8. So it is 4 in these two numbers. It is 4. The smallest number it is here is 4, which is same in these two numbers. So we'll compare only these two numbers in the next step. It is we'll go for the next digit. It is 5 here and it is 8 here. So 5 is smaller than 8, so it is the smallest number than this. So 6458 is the smallest number in the series. Now we have to take the largest. See, all the numbers has 6 as its first digit. Then we'll go for the second digit. It is 8 here. In these two numbers 8 is the second digit in these two numbers. Then we'll go for the next digit. It is 4 here and it is 5 here. 5 is greater than 4, so clearly it is the greatest number in the series, so we'll tick 6854. Next, the smallest number, we'll go for the first digit. 8, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. 2 is the smallest number in the series. Two numbers has 2 as its first digit. 2, 5, 3, 3 and 2, 1, 2, 0. Then in these we will compare these two numbers. 5 is the smallest, 5 is the second digit here and it is 1 is the second digit. 1 is smaller than 5, so clearly it is the smallest digit in the series. Greatest digit, the number 8503, the first digit is 8, which is greater than all the numbers in the series, so the largest number is 8503. Next is 9834, 9854, 9852, 9837, 9821, 9843. So the smallest number in the series is 9821. All the numbers following the same series, and the greatest number here is 9000. 854. It is the greatest number, it is the largest number here. Next series, the smallest number in the series is it is 6009, and the greatest number here is 6300. You can see here the smallest number, clearly it is 4062. It has only it has three this number has 3 digits. All the number except this number has 4 digits, so it is the smallest number. The largest number is, which is starting from 7. 7 is the largest in the series, so this number is the largest among them. Next question is, write in descending order from the greatest to the smallest. We have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. First series they have solved. Second one is in this question the greatest number is, clearly it is 8000. 8 is the greatest in the series. Then after 8 it will be 7000, then it will be 6000, then 5000 and 1000 and 900. This is the series. Next you have to arrange from the greatest to the smallest. The greatest number here in the series is, we'll check the first digit. First rule says just check the first digit. The 7 here, 3, 5, 4, 2 and 6. The greatest number is 7, 3, 2, 8. Then after 7 it comes 6. The greatest number, it is 6875. Then it will be 5. The number here smaller than it is 5548. Then 4 is smaller than 5, so the next number will be 4540. After it this number 3823, and the last number is 2389. 2389. Next number is the greatest number here, it is, which is starting from 9. 9 is the greatest number, so the number which is starting from 9 is the greatest number. First number is 9821. Smaller than 9821 is, we got two numbers which is starting from 8. 8735 and 8573. Both the numbers starting from 8. So we'll go for the next number, which is 7 here and which is 5 here. So we know 7 is greater than 5. So the next number is 8735, and after that 8573. Now the number next to it will be 7534. Greater than 7 is smaller than 8. Next we have two numbers which is starting from 6. These two numbers are starting from 6. So we'll check the next number. The next digit, here it is 5 and here it is 8. So the greatest number is, greater number among them is 6837, and here it is 6582. Like this all the questions can be solved. Second next question is, write in ascending order. We have to arrange the numbers from the smaller number to the greatest number, from the smallest number to the greatest number. Here first series they have solved. The second series is, in the series the smallest number, it is 2, clearly 200. Greater than 200 it is 500, then it is 700, then it is 2000, then it is 5000 and 7000. Next series, smallest number here is, first rule says check the first digit. See, it has 5 as its first digit. It has 2, 3, 2, 3 and 4. So after reading the series we got an idea. Then these two numbers are starting from the smallest digit among the series 2. So we'll compare these two numbers. Here 4 is the second number, and here 3 is the second number, which is smallest, 3. So 2388 the smallest number in the series, than 2411. Now we'll move on to the next number. The next number greater than 2, here it is 3. We have two numbers starting from 3, so we'll go for the second number. Here it is 2 in this number, and here 2 again is the second digit in the number. So we'll go for the next digit. It is 8 here, and it is 8 here. Both the numbers has 8 as its third digit. Then we'll go for the fourth digit. It is 8 here and it is 4 here. So which one is the smallest? 4 is smaller than 8. So the next number will be 3284 and 3288. Then the next number will be, which is starting from 4, 4365, and the last digit, the greater digit, is 5632. Following the same rules, all the questions can be solved.